Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive, as you know. In this video we're going to be installing these Auxito LED lights. They sponsored me to do a video on these lights. These are for the Grand Cherokee, not the KJ. This is for the Grand Cherokee. The KJ, the Jeep Liberty's already got a full set of lights from Auxito, fog lights, low beam and high beam headlights, all from Auxito. The best headlights I've ever used in my life, hands down. Excellent quality, best. I'm not just saying that because these are sponsored. I'm saying that because that's the truth. Off-road, then that Jeep Liberty, it lights the whole path up just from the headlights and fog lights being on. So let's get to these. There's another sponsor that sent me some low beam or some high beams for this, and they're very good high beams too, but I would have much rather preferred Auxito high beams because these ones they just don't seem that bright, maybe, or that durable actually, because of the way they're built if you look closely, and they don't fit exactly in the notching part for the headlight bulbs. So in this video we're going to install these, and the first thing you're going to want to do is take out this bolt. I'm pretty sure there was another bracket on this that went up here or something like that. These ones don't have that. Mine doesn't have that. Like this. Yeah, it was this right here connects to this. These are broken on mine, so forget that on mine. But after that part, you're going to want to pull these bolts out. These are number 7, size 7 millimeter. You're going to want to pull these out. And then once you get them out, the whole headlight will pop out of a joint. You'll see. It's like these are pretty long. The whole headlight will pop out. Usually just give it a quick yank. And these little joints go inside of there, right there, as you can see. They just pop right in there, and then they pop out when you pull on it. So that's pretty cool. Pretty easy. The easiest headlight takeout I've ever done was my RV Ford E450. That's literally just undo a tab and the whole light just comes out freely. It's such a nice and easy way that they set that up. I'd much rather prefer a Jeep to have done that, but obviously you're not off-roading with an RV or anything like that, so I think these might hold in better. That's why they're in some joints, but I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. Let me get you guys set up. Alright, so let me just get this out of here completely. Alright, once they are out, you will see, excuse me, you will see these are the high beams. The inners, the outers, these high beams, low beams. So these are the ones I'm going to be replacing. Let me turn you guys around and show you these. So let me just do a quick unboxing and let you guys see this real quick. Alright, let me just open these up really quickly, and you always want to cut away from yourself. Remember that. It's an easy way to hurt yourself if you don't. Very well packaged. Very, very well packaged. They always are. So, let me pull these out. It's got the product manual in it. I don't know if you guys can see that very well. And these are the lights. Very good looking lights. Nice quality. They got the little fan in it. Let me see if I can get in this. They got the fan in it. Spins around. It's got the 3 bulb. both sides, and then your HB4 plug. So, yeah, HB4. Okay. So I'm going to be putting this one. I don't think it doesn't matter which light goes where. So let's get to installing this bad boy and testing it out. I'll show you guys what it looks like at night for sure. But yeah. Alright, so let me get to pulling this guy out. Okay, just setting you guys up here. I'm just going to use my knife really quickly. Okay. Unplugged. Now with this guy, as you guys know, simple. Just give it a quick turn back, counterclockwise, and then there's my low beam. These things are super yellow. These things are really yellow. So I'm happy to give it a proper replacement with LEDs. Super happy. Thank you to Auxito again for this opportunity. Let's put this back in there. Literally takes seconds. Alright, and once you got this sucker in, I just noticed I did order the wrong side, the wrong type. I don't need the 90-degree angle tap. I needed the one that comes straight back, just like this one. Just the straight back one that goes in there and twists. I did do the same mess up on this one also, so it looks like they're gonna just both take these straight back ones. So if you guys are doing these, remember it takes these ones. They don't bend at a 90-degree angle. They just go straight back. Just like that. Okay, so this one it's all locked in and good. I mean, you could get away with running these just fine. You could get away with running these ones just fine, but it would be easier just using the proper straight ones that you would need. So let me just put this light back in. Just got to line up those joints I was talking about. Okay. And you're going to want to tighten down this bolt. Okay, same thing on this side. There you go. This one is a bit stiff. Trying to get out of there. I don't think I've ever taken this bulb out. Okay, bulb is out. Now what I like to do is with these ones, since I ordered the wrong ones, you got to plug it in first so you get that clip to fit up on there. Alright. Nice and straight. Everything works out well. I'm going to put this one back in. Really easy. Alright. It's in there right now. Can't really see it. It's just sitting right there. Nice and straight. Both sides. Nice and straight. Inside of there. And I'll let you guys know the difference. Well, I actually should have recorded it before, but these, as you guys know, take my word for it, they were super yellow. I couldn't even see. I had to turn the high beams on when I'm out there in the desert on those dark roads with no lights. So these are going to make a world of a difference. All right, you guys, this is the finished product right here. I've not long ago actually, I got a pair of fog light LEDs, and the headlights actually match them perfect. They're 6500K the color, so this is what you'll be able to see. As you can tell on me, it's actually nice and bright, and it actually brings me good light for the camera. So as you can see, I should have got a video of the original lights, but trust me, they were just very dark and very yellow. This is just a night and day difference comparison. Like, wow, it's almost like the brights are on, but they're not. Just super bright, way brighter. These are just regular low beam headlights. So let me turn this camera around and let me show you. These are the new low beams right here. These fog lights right here, I've actually installed these, like I would say 2 years ago, and they've been flawless ever since. They're just nice and bright actually. But this isn't about that. This is about the low beams. These low beams are very nice. Let me just get a close up here. It's dirty. It rained over here. Sorry about that. But this is, you can hear the fan in there. I don't know if you can hear it. Right now you probably can't hear it, but that's the fan. There's these headlights I showed you. They got fans in them to keep them cool. Those are the high beams right there. These are the low beams. Very nice. These are the fogs. Not too shabby. I like it. Let me show you the distance here. Look at that distance, man. That is amazing. Let me show you guys without the fog lights on. That's just the headlights themselves. This is the fog lights. Fog lights off, fog lights on. That is just an amazing difference. Now let me show you fog lights off with the low beams and the headlights, because on the WJs, the headlight high beams and the low beams stay on at the same exact time. That's the high beams right there. That's the high beams off. See, very nice and clear lighting, I would say. It lights up every reflector in the road, and it's just much safer. Very much safer, especially when it rained. When we had the stock headlights, man, you could barely see the road. Now it's much safer for my wife to drive this thing, especially when it's raining or foggy out. These are the high beams, low beams, and then fog lights. I usually run with the fog lights on, because these lights on these WJs are automatic, so I keep the fog lights on, so at all times, right whenever it gets dark and the car senses it, it'll turn right on. That's with the fog lights. So they'll automatically turn on with the fog lights, which is very nice. I think that's pretty good though. That range right there. Not too bad. It's way out there. I had the LED blinkers on, but I took those off because my wife didn't really like them. They were super bright. So I took them off, and I have them saved for when I get my WJ, my Grand Cherokee. I'm gonna put them on mine. But Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too bad. That is up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. The name is called Auxito. I will post their website in the link below if you guys want to pick yourself up a nice pair of headlights. Doesn't matter what you got. They got lights for pretty much anything. So go ahead and check them out. And even if you have a Jeep Liberty, they got the headlights there for you. What's in the Liberty right now, this is my wife's Grand Cherokee, as you guys know. And what is in the Jeep Liberty as of now is all Auxito lighting. From the headlights to fog lights, it's all Auxito, and they're all quality headlights and fog lights. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.